And face off over Kerala gold scam. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh hit out at Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan after he ordered judicial inquiry against central agencies probing Kerala's gold scam. Here's more.
It is Centre versus Kerala over the gold smuggling case. It's Centre's NIA probe versus Kerala's judicial inquiry. A key tussle ahead of the Kerala Assembly polls. Pinarayi Vijayan's government decision to order judicial inquiry against Enforcement Directorate for probing gold scam has exploded into a full-blown political war. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, who was in Thiruvananthapuram, lashed out at the ruling left front, calling the state government's decision a challenge to the constitution and the federal structure of India.
गोल्ड स्मगलिंग स्कैम में ईडी के द्वारा जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रही है उसके खिलाफ जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी सेटअप करने का डिसीजन यहां की कैबिनेट ने लिया है. दिस इज वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट. इट मींस दिस गवर्नमेंट इज चैलेंजिंग द फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन.
Kerala government, on the other hand, claims that central agencies are being misused, calling it a justification of its move to order the judicial probe.
Central agencies are being misused. We need to know the truth. That should be unveiled by the central agencies. But they miserably failed. At the same time, these agencies were always worked with a political motive.
The Kerala gold smuggling case is being probed by the central agencies like the NIA, ED and the Customs Department after 30 kilograms gold worth over 14 crores was found smuggled in a diplomatic consignment. The case mounts heat on the Vijayan government after proximity of key accused emerged with CM's former principal aide. Rajnath also promised a law to protect Sabrimala traditions to breach left's Hindu voters.
Regarding Sabrimala, I would like to say we will make legislation for the protection of traditions and the practices of Sabrimala.
Kerala will go to polls in a single phase on April 6 and counting of votes will take place on May the 2nd. With Gopi Krishnan Unithan in Thiruvananthapuram, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.